Hey, welcome back everyone. Cameron here. Today's video will consist of how to draw the arm using charcoal. I'll explain my approach in the simplest way possible. Feel free to pause the video at any point if I happen to go too fast. I hope this tutorial helps you as well as supports you on your art journey. Feel free to let me know in the comments below what else you guys would like to see additional videos on, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated, and now let's get to the video. Okay, so to start off we want to make a quick gesture of our arm by adding some simple shapes beginning with a circle and then two rounded off rectangles to represent the shoulder, bicep, and forearm. Next, we're going to start defining some of our shapes with the side of our pencil, only using tone, and then the tip of our pencil went on the outer regions of our arm. You also want to keep it pretty light at this stage. Then once you feel satisfied with your overall forms, we can start to add a bit more contrast to our line weight. And keep in mind, the biceps will naturally be shorter than the forearms as well. And from here, we'll start to soften our construction lines, giving our drawing some better dimension. And you can either use a paper towel or your fingers at this stage. And as you can see, the forms start to take a little bit of shape. And then from here we can start defining some more contrast in the inner grooves of the arm, with again using only the side of your pencil. And don't grip it too tight since you want to gradually add tone rather than heavy marks. Also, don't hesitate to use your eraser as a drawing tool as well, since it aids in adding highlights and cleaning up your overall drawing, making it more presentable. And as you can see, I'm not really going totally to the edge of the outer border since it gives the illusion that it's a rounded surface rather than a flat surface, if that makes sense. And this applies to when adding the tone in your inner forms. Your outer forms will always usually have like a solid line to separate the outer form of the muscle, if that makes sense. And then here's where we can just go in and erase any unnecessary marks. And that is our video. I hope this was helpful for you, and take care everyone.